Have you heard the story of the hot rod race when the Fords and Lincolns were setting pace? The story is true, I'm here to say, because I was driving that Model A. It's got a Lincoln motor and it's really souped up. That Model A body makes it look like a pup. It's got 8 cylinders and you all got overdrive. It just won't stall. With a 4-barrel carb and a dual exhaust with 4 other gears, when it really get lost, got safety tubes, but I ain't scared. The brakes are good, the tires are fair. Pulled out of San Pedro late one night, the moon and the stars were shining bright. We was driving up a great fine hill past the car like it was standing still. All of a sudden, in the blink of an eye, a Cadillac sedan passed us by. I said, boys, that's a mark for me if I didn't the tail lights is all you can see. Now the fellow's written it for being behind, so I thought I'd make that Lincoln unwind. When I put off the gas, and man alive, I shoved it down into overdrive. Wound it out to 110, my speedometer said I hit top end. My foot was glued like lead to the floor, that's all there is, there ain't no more. Now the boys all thought I'd lost my sense, and the telephone pole looked like a picket fence. They said, slow down, I see spots of lines on the road that look like dots. Took the corner side, swiped the truck, I crossed my fingers just for luck. My fenders was squeaking the guardrail post, the guy beside me was quiet as a ghost. Smoke was coming from out of the back when I started the game on that Cadillac. I knew I could catch him and thought it could pass, but you know by then we'd be low on gas. They had planes coming out from the side, you could feel the tension, man, what a ride. I said, look out boys, I got a license to fly, and that cat pulled over to let us by. Now all of a sudden she started to knock it down in the dip. She started to rock and I looked in the mirror and the red light was blinking. The cops were after my hot rod Lincoln.